The ultimate guide to going viral on social media, tips and tricks for success. Are you struggling to get your social media posts noticed? Do you want to create content that goes viral and reaches a massive audience? In this guide, we will provide you with valuable tips and tricks on how to go viral on social media. From knowing your audience to utilizing visual content, collaborating with other influencers, and posting at the right time, we'll cover everything you need to know to increase your chances of success. Follow our guide, and you'll be on your way to creating viral content that will take your social media presence to the next level. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring influencer, or simply looking to increase your social media following, going viral can be a game changer. Viral content has the power to reach millions of people within a short amount of time, increase brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. However, creating viral content is easier said than done. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, knowledge of current trends and hashtags, and a willingness to experiment with different types of content. That's why we've created this ultimate guide to going viral on social media. In this guide, we'll cover the following topics. Understanding your audience. Knowing your audience is the first step to creating viral content. You need to understand their interests, preferences, and pain points. By creating content that resonates with them, you'll be more likely to receive likes, shares, and comments. Keeping it simple and easy to understand content is more likely to go viral than complicated or confusing content. We'll provide tips on how to simplify your message and create content that is easily digestible. Using trending topics and hashtags. Trending topics and hashtags can help increase your reach and visibility. We'll show you how to stay on top of current trends and incorporate them into your content. Utilizing visual content. Visual content, such as images and videos, is more likely to be shared than text-based content. We'll provide tips on how to create visually appealing content that captures your audience's attention. Collaborating with other influencers. Collaborating with other influencers in your niche can help increase your reach and exposure. We'll provide tips on how to find and collaborate with influencers that align with your brand. Engaging with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal following. We'll provide tips on how to respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, encourage user-generated content. Posting at the right time. Timing is key when it comes to social media. We'll provide tips on how to determine the best times to post for maximum engagement. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to creating viral content that will take your social media presence to the next level. Whether you're looking to increase brand or build a loyal following, this guide will provide you with the tools you need to succeed.